What's up, guys? Hello! Ding, 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 ding. Babu, tama itong dinadaanan natin. What's up, guys? Hello. Today is again. Hi everyone, long time no see and welcome to my vlog. Today is June 21 and it's already 3:11 and we're going to the airport because I have a 7 p.m. flight to Manila. Guess we're going. We're going to Tomingson. Are you excited? Because I am. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello!
Yun lang?
Welcome to my vlog!
Shout out to my grandparents for always making me headed to airport. There's my Lola. Ma! Say hi to my vlog. Hello, gates na kami and I'm with Jen! Ano siya, a new character unlocked. It's currently, what time is it? 4:33, tapos 7 p.m. pa mong flight, but okay lang. Tara, manarbaho ta. Mag-time sheets ako. Waiting. Waiting for our flight. Nails by Diary of Nails, Davao. Wala ko naka-nail art kay gapo sa time. Rawr! Touchdown Manila! Waiting for our bags. Where are our bags? Incoming with the red-ish. That's the palatandaan. Dinner at Wendy's. Time check, 11:20 p.m. and we are Nabi karon sa NAIA Terminal 3 na departure with When You Love. I got a question. And we are waiting for Cherry and Jake. Shout out kay Jake, like naalang siya diri sa Manila ay sa Laguna. Pero mas nauna kami sa Yaha.
Always the ano dyan.
It's always the closest, no? So, ang among prinsesa, yung prinsesa na among gihol na. Pero syempre, dili lang ko siya ma-blame kay alas 7 pa among flight later. So, we are going to spend the night here. There pala kay. Syempre, makalagpas na dyan yung equation. Balik man siya. Di mo siya pwede mag-TNT dito. Kaya wala man siya laptop.
Okay, laptop.
Patay na kay laptop. Dili ito mo balik ko perti biyan ako.
So, kapakitaan ako state na tabakaw mo.
Okay, here's
Ay, kan dapat passenger lang masunod to nag-asa ko nanulod na ba mo?
oh, sunod na. Hello! Welcome to Manila.
New character.
New character unlock. Sagsakali man ng miss mo ko. Pwede pang pa-kiss. Bag drop. Pagka-perfect.
Hindi na pala mag-vlog. Nakakahiya naman.
Huwag ka mahiya. Hindi ka naman nila kilala. Gusto mo ibigay natin YouTube? YouTube.
Ma-feature
Ayun,
naman sa
tatlo
vlog
baboy.
nila.
Yes. New character. It's Wordle time! Basta mag-picture ako na nandito parang picture na. Nahirap ako dito Nahihirapan ako Okay. Yay! I'm done with my Wordle of the day. Jake is still thinking. Siyempre, hindi siya gusto magpatalo. Got it on my fourth try. So, dapat sa fourth try na di yan makuha. Competitive. Okay, immigration story time. Hindi kami pinayagan to have one immigration officer na sabay kaming apat. So, ang nangyari, si Jake sa isang immigration officer, ako sa isa, si Jam sa isa, and then si Cherry dun siya sa IO ni Jake. So, sa akin, ang tinanong lang is, kailan balik, sino kasama, at saan nagwo-work. Medyo natagalan ako because nag-restart yung computer ni Madam Immigration Officer. And then, while restarting, tinanong niya lang ulit na, kailan nga balik mo? Parang gano'n. Just to make sure na babalik ako. Other than that, hindi ako hiningan ng mga documents and such. So, I think that's a good, since this is my third time traveling.
Hindi ko alam.
Na kay Maya, Vic.
Burger ka rin. Ano ang shock burger?
Single or double patty?
Single. Sarap naman ang mga ganyan.
Sabi ko
Ba't parang nag-ano ako?
Time check is 5:55 and boarding na kami. We're going to Sino kami at nakakadalawang international trip na kami sa 7 months. Kaloka! Kapakagastos namin! Finally boarding and Hi guys!
And just like that, gumuhuna ang aking pangarap.
Ay, una, Juday.
Oh my God! Sana all!
Ano next, Bia?
Pwede ba yan? Hindi na ako pinapili.
So we are the losers.
At least 2 out of, 50% naman. 2 out of 4. Buti ka pa kasi sa jowa mo yung nanalo. So, sa'yo na yun. Oh?
Anong pinili mo?
Yabo?
Guys, hindi kami nanalo. Kulang ba yung prayers ko? Isa pa to. Nanalo si Jake at si Jam. Baka mga J lang ang manalo.
Baka.
Isipin na lang natin ganun. Jerry?
Hindi, ano siya, cash?
Hindi, yung
Easy.
Easy card na 10K?
Rapu, bigay mo sa akin yung nanaman.
Wait lang.
So parang nanalo na din ako. Pika.
I want it for you, Bob.
Ay, wow! So sweet! Thanks, baby! Okay, so finally, nakaabot lang yung bildere. Hi, guys! today.
Right now, you can see.
Ang nanalo ng Lucky Land. Ang nanalo ng Lucky Land.
Nasa Taiwan.
But ang maggamit ng kanyang Lucky Land prize.
Parang nalalo na rin.
Sorry, Jer. Okay, so our initial plan is dapat mag-Uber kami. Pero hindi man kami nanalo ni Cherry and mahal man siya for us. Nag-ano?
Kuya, one at a time.
Airport Express.
Guys, it will take you 1 hour.
The tiger. We are at a very random store. Nakita lang namin beside the Michelin rated na store. Since gutom na kayo masyado, hindi kami makapag-wait ng 30 minutes. And good thing, I think this is a good thing. Mga gutom yan. Fresh from Manila.
Fresh from ano?
Ah, uy! Fresh mo sa akong video. Tanawan yourself. Ay, balikan na. Lakas mo. So, struggle pa rin. I really need to practice. Buti pa yung isa dito, Japanese, Japayuki ba yung isa, Tre?
Lasang kimchi. Namatan.
Radish.
Ay, gulay.
Good thing na medium ko. Ayoko ng mga gulay. Would you rate our food, guys?
10 out of 10. Location check. Ambience check. 10 guys. Food 8. But the service 20.
10. Spectacular. Give
The
me
servers
40
100.
Okay.
Would
Check.
recommend.
I will, ipakita na tong 100 ng ilang servers. Yeah. Oh, so hot! 2. This is the place, guys. And it's very easy. Besides siya ng parang Michelin rated restaurant and self-service yung order.
Ano kayo?
Uber.
Kailan ba kayo? Anong message natin sa kulay?
Okay, an aesthetic girly. Mangita dyan na siya nindot na keychain. Easy card.
Lagi ni O.
Cute the ring. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ang tagal magpili ng water.
Kaya tatay ako.
Hindi magpunta, nagtaay ka sana sa hotel.
Ay, kung nga, may siya pala.
Yeah, meron.
Galing mo nun, ma'am.
O sige, magbayad na ako. Okay guys, finally we're here and this is the CR tour. Hello. So, small lang siya but it's okay. May bathtub, toilet, towels, no bidet, blower here. And then, this is the room. 2 beds.
Lagi may bat. Pwede ka kapansin na nag-video ka. Ay, salamat.
Ay, salamat. See you tomorrow.